If you create AI generated stories, like you write stories and you transform the stories into visuals, like videos, or maybe you found a story somewhere and you want to create a video version of that story, this video is for you, especially if you struggle with having consistency in your characters. If you want to use characters, but you want them to remain consistent while still using free versions of these AI tools, then don't skip this video because I am here to show you how to maintain consistency in your characters in different scenes throughout your story. If this is what you like to do, then stay with me to the end of this video. Don't skip any part because this entire video is packed with valuable information that will help you to achieve your desired result. Follow me, let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. I am giving you these videos for free, so I'm not asking you to pay me for training on this particular one, but the only way for you to say thank you is by sharing this video, liking, commenting. Don't steal information and run off. Right, let's get into it. Thank you. Let me show you how I maintain character consistency when creating your story using Gemini. So far, Gemini is one free tool that can give you character consistency for your AI generated story. So for this video, we are going to stick to Gemini. First thing first, have your story. I don't know how you generated your story because in the next video, I will teach or I will show you how to generate your stories. Okay. So for this video, I will assume you already have your story and also your picture prompts or your photo prompts or your story photo creation prompts. I will assume that if you don't know how to generate a story and story prompts or your photo prompts, then you have to watch our next video where I will be showing you how to generate picture prompts for your story. And also, I will show you how to generate your stories as well, because it is when you have your story that you are able to generate the pictures that you want to use for your video to create that story. Now, I will assume again that you already have your story and your picture prompts. When you have it, come to Gemini. Open Gemini. Of course, you need to, first of all, make sure this create image is added in the box before you paste your prompt. So I will be using the one I have done already to show you how I did it. Okay, give me 1 second. Good, this is it. Now, the first prompt I pasted here, I'll be taking this slowly so that you will understand. A young Nigerian couple laughing at dinner in a cozy living room, warm light, wooden furniture, pots of soup on the table, TV glow in background, cinematic realism, and all of that. So this is my first prompt, and it gave me these two. This couple are like these people are the people that I'm going to be using for this story. If I like them, if I don't like them, I will go and get a new picture or I'll get a new prompt. Okay, or I will ask you to give me a different couple. Now, I want to maintain these two for the rest of this story. I will go on to paste my second prompt under the first generation. So if you want to maintain consistency in character, even if it means changing the outfit and the scenes, good. You have to still do it under the same generation, so under the same chat history. Now, look at the second one. You can see this man, Chukwemeka, he is still wearing the same outfit from the dining because it was from the dining that he stepped out to take this call. Now, and then accident happened. Adora had an accident. You can see it still gave me Chukwemeka as the doctor, but I don't want Chukwemeka to be the doctor now. And I don't want Adora to be wearing the same outfit she wore at the dining because this is a different scene and I want them to wear a different outfit. So I will say that change the doctor to another person. Doctor is not Chukwemeka. Change Adora's outfit too. This is a new scene. You see, Adora's outfit has been changed, but Chukwemeka remains the doctor. I don't want Chukwemeka to be the doctor. I say change the doctor. Now it has changed the doctor from Chukwemeka to this woman, but still retaining Adora's face. Did you see that? That is how to maintain character consistency. Now, Adora is home after blindness. You can see Adora is still the same person in a different outfit. Then I say, make Adora to wear glasses to show that she's blind. You can see Adora wearing glasses, trying to reach her phone, but almost unable to do that because she is blind. Now, if you look at this picture very well, you can see that the bed Adora is sitting is not a bed that should be in her bedroom. This is a hospital bed. So I would say, change the bed to a bedroom bed. This is her home, not a hospital. Okay, now you're going to send it in and wait. This is how you will continue to generate your characters under the same chart. Okay, so that it will maintain the character consistency because we are using a free tool. See, can you see the bed has been changed to a bedroom bed? All right, but Adora still remains the same. I will continue to generate my picture prompts under the same chart, just editing what I don't like. All right, this is how to do it. I hope this video helps. Please, I give you this information for free. The only way you can thank me is by following this video, following our page. The only way you can say thank you to me is by following our page. Give us a like, comment, and share this video. Thank you. I will see you in our next video. Goodbye.